Hi guys, it's BB. Welcome back to my channel. I received some happy mail from Paper Kitty here on YouTube, and this was just a very special thanks on her behalf. She wanted to do something sweet for me, and I wanted to unbox it here on camera because I have seen some of her work on YouTube, and she is absolutely phenomenal. Her work is so beautiful. You can truly tell she puts so much love and care into her stuff that she's creating. Without further ado, let's see what she sent me. I'm so very excited, and she did not have to do this. So, okay, let's see what our first item is. Oh my gosh. Right off the bat. Beautiful tag. I've never had a tag like this, so this is just so beautiful. Oh, here it is. That's her channel name. Please subscribe to her, guys. Y'all have to show her some love. She would appreciate it so very, very much, and y'all will not be disappointed. She's so truly talented. This is so gorgeous. This, look at her little tassels here. She's got some beautiful laces, some pinks and whites, and then this yellow. She did some stitching here. Takes so much work for this. This looks like she decoupaged back here. She used some scraps, beautiful scraps. She made some handmade bows with some little gems here. Her butterflies are absolutely beautiful. The work she put into this. This lace down here, it looks vintage, some vintage lace. She put this beautiful charm right here with this bulb pin. Absolutely amazing. Thank you so much, Paper Kitty. You have no idea. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much. And she put more in here. Oh my god. Girl, what did you do? It says Bellissima. And then she's got some lace up here. And she rouged it and she made it look very beautiful. Her little collage here of just goodness. She's got all types of tapestries here. Absolutely beautiful. She's got this band closure. And she gave me another beautiful charm here with a bulb pin. Goodness me. My dear Paper Kitty, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You did not have to do this. Look at all these goodies. She gave me some die-cut butterflies. Oh, and it's like she knew what colors I liked, because I'm in love with butterflies and I love teal. She gave me some little schedule markers here. Oh, these are so cute. Look at that little memo pad. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, you're such a doll. I keep wanting to say your name, but I'm not going to. You are so sweet. Look at this. How cute. Okay, I'm gonna set these aside for now because I definitely want to pay attention to the detail that she has here for me on this cute little booklet. Look at this. Oh my gosh. The talent you possess. Look at that. She has a little bunny there. This vintage looking material. I love this corduroy material here. Couldn't think of the name, but these are snippet rolls. And wow, you guys, I hope the camera's doing it justice, because to see it in person, it's so pretty. Goodness me. It says love here. This looks like some vintage material here too. Her lace, the satin ribbon, all of it. How precious. Oh my gosh. You're so cute. Oh, these snippet rolls, girl, you outdid yourself. Oh, so gorgeous. Thank you so much. I love them. Beautiful snippet rolls. The Lord himself has blessed your hands, girl. He really has. She gave me a little card with her beautiful logo on it. This is so awesome. This is going inside my journal. I greatly appreciate this so much. And she gave me some of these little tags. They're little sticky back stickers, so they're peel off. All of this is just going to be going inside my journal. She gave me a beautiful napkin that says love, and I can use this for decoupaging. Let me just open it up. Wow, look at this, you guys. Oh my goodness, what a sweetheart. Oh, these popsicles and pineapples, so adorable. Oh, I love it. The cactuses, how she know I like cactuses. And another one, oh my gosh. And it's got some clocks. Jeez Louise, you have done the most. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oh, this is gonna be gorgeous. Thank you. Oh, I could stare at this all day. Oh my gosh, it's like a paper pack. That's what this, girl, you are so creative. Okay, is there something in here that I missed? Oh my god, it's got a secret compartment. Oh, look at this. This is beautiful. Thank you. Thank you. Look at this, how cute. It says so fierce. It's got some lipsticks, a girl with beautiful hair, big buns. I love big buns. Not the buns that y'all are thinking of, but you know, hair buns. Okay, what else did she sneak in here? Look at you being all sneaky, girl. She gave me some of these beautiful little embellishments. Make sure I didn't miss anything in here. I'm trying to be gentle. Okay, I think I got it all. Isn't that neat, you guys? I would have never thought of this. Wow. You are so crafty. You are the crafting queen. Now let's get into the little goodies that she gave me that I was trying to show y'all earlier. So we got this little cute pineapple. You are so sweet. Love it. Okay, we got her card. Keep your chin up. Thank you. I need this. Don't ever look back. The future is always forward. And this is what they look like on the back. So cute. The schedule markers, we showed y'all that. My beautiful butterflies. It says enjoy to and from. I absolutely will enjoy. Thank you so much. It says heads up, gorgeous. And then I have this cute little card here. Let's see inside. Okay, I finally got it open. And oh, she put some more butterflies in here for me. Oh, how cute! It's a sweet little envelope. Envelope. How do y'all say it? Here we go. Oh, come on. Get in here. Oh, look at that. Thank you so much. Thank you. Look at the cute little faux postage. Isn't that cute? Okay, definitely gonna have to make you a massive spread in my journal. You deserve it, girl. So cute. And this little card. Wow. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, dear. You have no idea. I appreciate this so very much. I love it. I love everything that you gave me. You are just such a sweetheart. Once again, guys, please don't fail to go and subscribe to her channel. Y'all are missing out if y'all are. But please go and comment on her channel, like, subscribe, and just tell her how much of an amazing job that she did, because she in fact did. She puts in a lot of work to her stuff, and I can't thank you enough, girl. Thank you so much. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I will catch y'all on the next one. And I hope y'all consider subscribing. Okay, love y'all, bye.